Do you want to know how to shop faster with Instacart? Well, today I'm going to show you the 5 biggest ways I use to save time on every Instacart batch. Now, whether you're an Instacart beginner or a seasoned shopper, these Instacart shopping tips will definitely help you to make more money with Instacart. Now, after completing more than 10,000 Instacart batches, I've learned that making more money isn't just about bigger batches. It's about shopping faster without sacrificing quality. And if you don't know who I am, my name is T. I have been a full-time, full-service Instacart shopper for over 8 years, and I have done well over 10,000 batches. So if you want to know all things Instacart, this is where you ought to be. And we're going to go with this and help you increase your Instacart earnings. So tip number 1, learn the store layout. The fastest shoppers are not running through the store. They already know where everything is. So take a few extra seconds to look at the aisle signs, notice where the common items are, and remember the layout of your busiest stores. Every tip and every trip that you make can be increased with this. Number 2, start with produce always. If produce is on the order, I begin there while the cart is empty. It gives me room to organize everything else afterwards and helps keep delicate items from getting crushed. Always choose fresh produce carefully. Shopping quickly should never mean shopping carelessly. Tip number 3, read the entire shopping list before you start. Before grabbing your first item, spend a few seconds reviewing the whole order. Look for heavy items, frozen foods, household products, and duplicates. You'll naturally create a more efficient path throughout the store instead of having to backtrack. Number 4, remember, save frozen foods for last. So ice cream, frozen vegetables, frozen meals, they should all be the last items on your list to pick. They stay colder and you won't need to rush throughout checkout because something is melting. Number 5, double check before checkout. 1 minute of checking your cart can save you from refunds, poor ratings, or extra trips back and forth throughout the store. Now make every item match the order. Produce looks fresh, eggs aren't cracked, bread is not smashed, refrigerator items stay together and cold. Shopping faster is not about rushing. It's about having a system that works. The more consistent your system becomes, the more orders you can complete while still giving customers excellent service. Now, if these tips have helped you, let me know in the comments. What's your biggest time-saving trick when shopping for Instacart? And don't forget, please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, thank you for tuning in to This, That, and Those Carrots, and happy shopping.